Good morning. Hello. It's Sunday the 7th of July. You can hear a beeping like a bus is turned on. It's Ant. Friendly neighbourhood bus driver. 280's beeping. Been off for a week. Now back in the yard. Working Rosendale transport side today. Nothing to do with me. Vehicle 279 this morning. We were a little early. Really, because I just got up and didn't know really what to do with myself, so thought screw it, I'm coming to work, get ready, and then go out. Not sure why I'm at the back of the pack today. So 279, 7404 is my duty, 703 is the crew. Start at Rottenstall, run to Accrington, Accrington to Rochdale, Rochdale to Aki. And we have an hour's dinner break at Accrington and then back on the road for a long stint. It's about a 5 hour 10, 5 hour 15. So yeah, I'll take me back off. I don't know what time it is. Today, I think, is the day where the concessionary passes no longer need to state the destination. So that should be fun. I'll just be saying take a seat to a lot of people, tell them to sit down. So yeah, I best get my Transora device out. I've had a week. I had to get the Transora device out and get this all set up and ready to go. I have had a week off, so my brain's a bit flagging at the moment. Just make sure it all starts up.
System okay.
Air pressure's low in the system, so I'll have to wait for that to build before doing a walk around. But yeah, had a week off. Week off, spent it, we went to Southport on Monday, I think. Did a video for like a retro hunt thing, looking at a really nice shop in Southport called the Southport Arcade. Tuesday, I don't remember what we did. I can't remember what we did Tuesday. I think we might have disappeared to Blackpool or something. I think we were going to go to Blackpool and film the trams, but it got really wet. The problem with that is my DJI camera isn't waterproof. So yeah, we went and did that. We didn't film anything. I think we just went for a little day trips. Just did a little day trips. But really just needed to recharge my batteries before coming back to work. It's been a bit hectic last few months. Went to the zoo Thursday with Sebastian. Friday we had a chill day. Yesterday we just did bits of shopping and stuff because it rained really badly. We were going to go to the Makers Festival in Blackburn or the soapbox race in Accrington, but it rained that bad. It was pointless. It was like, didn't really want to drag Sebastian out and get him soaking wet, so yeah, we didn't do that. But yeah, listen, Sunday's probably not the best day to come back to work on, but to be honest, I'd rather just get it over and done with. So yeah, I'm just going to do my walk around check and I'll talk to you shortly. First part of the day done. Bloody hell. You can tell I've been off for a few days. It took it out of me, that. Normally I breeze through the first part. Dead easy, no problems. But yeah, absolutely knackered. Oh, it's dinner break now. and then we go back out on the road for the rest of them. It's been a busy morning, to be fair. Pound fur is definitely starting to show. It's definitely starting to like improve the amount of people that are getting on the bus and stuff. So yeah, it's maybe So I'm just going on my dinner now. Do go back out. Roads are picking up. There's a set of traffic lights at New Line, which I think might become a problem later on in the afternoon. For the sheer factor that it's busy. Struggle this morning with change. People getting on Sundays. A £20 note for £1 fare. One guy took all my change and that was it then. I'm fighting to get it back. Obviously, if you're going, because we're going from Rottenstall to Aki, it's kind of an issue because there's no really you can get change. But obviously, when I'm on my way back from Accrington to Rottenstall, I can stop and ask for change at Rottenstall, which I had to do and get a couple of pound coins. So yeah, it's kind of difficult when you get loads of, because I've not worked Saturday, so normally what I do is I keep money on Saturday, so it gives me a better float for Sunday. So yeah, but so far, apart from being tired, it's busy. And I don't know, I'll have to check how much I've done on my way bill. I'll show that in a minute. Oh, what an afternoon! Woo! Bloody hellfire! That's killed me. That's been busy. It shows no lost property. Oh, lost property. That has been an absolute beggar's belief of toughness. It's been really busy as well. I think I've done about 200 quid in pound fares. So yeah, I think normally I only do about 75 quid on a Sunday. So yeah, right. It's time to accept the dead run, clear the board, and get the track into not in service, and go back to the yard, refuel her, cash in, go home and do it again tomorrow. I'll see you when I get to the yard. That's today's duty done. I think it said I did 142 pounds. Right, that's that done. Grand total of damage was... Oh, I've lost it. No. 142.90. I was quite shocked actually. Like I said, a very busy day today. I don't know if it's like people are now knowing about the pound fares and stuff, but that was definitely a busy day, especially when you're like, it's your first day back after being off. It's kind of like, it's kind of tiring. You know, it was very much kind of tiring. Fighting my way down to Rochdale and back. 5 hours 20. It's a killer. We have asked them to look at it and maybe look at a rewrite for Sundays, or just give us a bit more time. I get an hour's dinner break. Some women get 2 to 3 hour breaks to fall back. But there's no time for a toilet, so it's a little bit difficult. You're always late on a Sunday. It's never good. And then like people are missing trams when they get into Rochdale and stuff like that. So it's just a bit of a slog. After being a week off, it's just remembering things like getting your braking points back to normal. Like, I missed so many bus stops today just through bad braking, or late time customers, or not being mentally switched on to look for customers, if that makes sense. Because I've been had a week off and I've drove past bus stops, but I've just like, because you do sometimes almost stop for people. It's been a bit of a rough one to start with, but we're back at it tomorrow, hopefully. Our 4 o'clock start will make us feel a lot better. Right, so I hope you enjoyed this one. It might be a short one, I'm not sure. It's one of those, isn't it? You don't get a lot of time on a Sunday. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe if you can. 70% of you aren't subscribed.
It's a big number, guys. I appreciate all that are subscribers and all the new subscribers. Thanks for being here. Oh, and Corley won a fight. I'll insert a clip here of that. But yeah, thanks very much. See you next time.